We're literally building a new market from scratch. Because the old building was torn down. We're building from the ground up. Again, we can't be spending this amount of money putting in these facilities, and yet the vendors find it more prudent to be vending on the street. I have said to the mayor, as it relates to the Musgrave Market, and I'm saying the same thing for the Buff Bay Market, to engage the vendors from now. Because, trust me, I will come here myself and help to enforce public order so that the vendors understand that the markets have been repaired at their cost, your tax dollar. The Musgrave Market, the drawings are completed. That market will become the first market that we are going to be building in Jamaica that is equipped with the latest necessary facilities to prevent fire. The Musgrave Market. And once that is completed, ladies and gentlemen, I urge the residents of Portland, when these projects are completed, utilize the market. Our markets account for almost 85% of persons who use the market are females.